Dear children, come to the point. The class 9th level 1 physical education and sports lecture deliver module 1. The first unit, the physical education and sports. Define the physical education and sports. Physical education and sports. Any aim, any motto. Find out the physical education and the sports, and any all around developments of the students, athletes, players, any station, all around development of the physical education. Physical education to keep fit, to maintain our body according to time. The two type of the maintain of body through the exercise to maintain a proper exercise to maintain our body. Exercise is the two type: general warming up and specific warming up. General warming up is the wrist rotation, neck rotation, hand rotation, and specific exercise in heavy exercise. But the first of all, the physical education teaches to take good, give respect, to fulfill, and all type of the responsibilities, to take the follow of the rule and regulations according to the meaning of physical education. The meaning of the physical education, it is the branch of physical education which deals with the study of the outdoor game, indoor game, and etc. The second point, the physical education and sports to maintain, to keep, to skill, to fulfill your students, to give the motivate your students, to motivate your student to skillful, teach the student all the type of development, all around development, whole development, integral development, complete development in your minds. Second point, understanding the scope of physical education, the many of the scope of physical education. Physical education in the previous class to make after the 10th class, to take a certificate course PET, physical education, to take the job in physical education and teachers. After the 12th to take the Bachelor of Physical Education BPE 3-year degree course. After the BSc, BCom, BA, the 2-year professional course is MPEd, master degree course, MA physical education. And after the BPE के बाद भी ईयर डिग्री कोर्स वो कर सकता है, and MA physical education. After the MA physical education, to take the 1-year MPhil Master of Philosophy in any university, to take the entrance test of the MPhil Master of Philosophy, and Master of Philosophy to take after the MA MPH, to take the UGC NET, UGC NET, NET और JRF. नेट और JRF का एग्जाम भी वो क्वालिफाई क्रैक कर सकता है. टू टेक द एडमिशन इन PhD, टू टेक द PET PhD entrance test exam, and to take the and complete your PhD, to take the some research papers, publications, journals, chapters and articles, to take in PDF postdoctoral fellowship program. This is the last education in the physical education. And the second point, the Olympic movements and awards. What is the Olympic movements and awards? The Olympic movements and awards. Olympic movements क्या हैं and awards क्या हैं? तो Olympic movements, the Olympic movement in which is the to provide to understanding to develop of the Olympic games beginning in the presents. क्या है? Beginning in the presents, and appointment award to that's were the undertaking the ancient Olympic game in the long gap of the modern Olympic can be understood become and known as about the modern Olympic game. The next topic, ancient Olympic game. When ancient Olympic game, there are the ethnic informations of the fact about the various game in the Olympic game organized in ancient Olympic game organized in Olympia 76 BC in the honor of Zeus.
ये जेस के सम्मान में वहां पे ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए। अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑंगस किंग ऑफ इजिप्ट एंड द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज of the Hercules is the mist. Before that, the complete you are punished well to promote the game. But in ancient King Theodosius, the stop these games. इन गेमों को रोक दिया गया। बट इन 394 एडी 394 एडी में जो थियोडोसियस था उसने इन गेमों को रोक दिया। आफ्टर टू स्टॉप दिस गेम ओलंपिक आफ्टर बट द मेमोरी the games are the memory are remained to burning of the peoples after the centuries के बाद। but the rules and competition in 776 ईस्वी BC in certain rule were found to competitor of sports of competition which is the conjugate of the bronze plate. Number 1 the competitor is only a Greek. competitor कहाँ का होना चाहिए? ग्रीक का। completely follow the Hellenistic race and the must be physically fit. Second is the service of the punishment were not allowed to participate of these games. The competitor had to stay in Olympia the month before, एक महीने पहले प्रथम of the Olympic game, to take the oath of head already in the training for the 10 month of the year in the state. Women were not allowed in participation of the Olympic. ओलंपिक में पार्टिसिपेशन भागीदारी के लिए वुमेन को आज्ञा नहीं दी जाती थी तथा पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द गेम्स आर द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द मंथ। द एमेच्योर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द गेम इज नॉट इन द प्रोफेशनल। ओपनिंग सेरेमनी द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपनिंग सेरेमनी one day the opening ceremony all the player and brothers and fathers are training to use of assemble of the auditorium में इकट्ठे होते थे। the expert of the sports of game made them the take the oath would participants the game according to the rules and had to go of the training of month. After that was killed a offer to the good name was Zeus Heracles. After the ritual one by one to play the use of sports arena exactly to play. The spectators are respected, give and the participants. The education is laid of the start of game. With the passage of the number of caps of the changing in 400 yard to walking included in 724 BC, there is the miles a race are included in 720 BC to pentathlon is 708 BC to boxing 688 BC of the horse to include in 640 BC. The number of games are increases the day by day. The function is the second to reserve of the health of the morning day in the sufficient of the animal to perform after the completion of the race. The wrestling and boxing are the fourth day was the fifth of athlete to event of wrestling and other recreational program are organized. Second thing is award. Award the less in attention to ancient Olympic of the food grains are animals is reward and they are the level of the winners and games are the winners of the poem is to compose to praise of the winners of the animals and the player. Next is the modern Olympic game. The modern Olympic game barren period of poverty in January 86 1st January 86 उसने 1st जनवरी 86 में 1886 1st जनवरी 1886 को मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स को क्या किया स्टार्ट किया बैरन पोवर्टी में। उसके बाद क्या हुआ द मेंबर ऑफ द जॉइंट्स आर सिलेक्टेड टू केप टू नो अबाउट इन द नेशनल प्रोग्राम फॉर बी इजीली इन ओलंपिक गेम। It was poverty is the world level to purpose of call to meeting of Italy, Spain and Sweden is favor to containing the game to countries are opposed it. Again the 16 June 1894 the meeting of the countries in Paris and 75 represented and participants. 75 represented and participants. It was the praise over the poverty was the result the sports competition should be invited are the many Olympic nation should be 18 19 18 Athens Olympic first modern Olympic games are countries to participated the number of the gradually increase or 1972 Munich, West Germany Olympic Game, 122 countries participation in modern Olympic. But the Olympic could not held due to the world wars. Second, first of all, main important the Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is there is the three: Cetitius, Altius, and Fortius. Means faster, higher, or stronger, are respectively. The motto is coined to the French educator, the father of Didon, 1895. Olympic flag was created in 1930 was suggestion of the Baron de Coubertin. It was the first salome of integrated of the Paris in June 1940. But the health of 1920, the Olympic flag made the white skill in contain of the interlock rings of circle and 5 colors are represented for 5 content world: America, Europe, Australia, Asia, and Africa. The 5 rings are different type of yellow, green, red, blue, and black. The interlock of the rings are circle and symbolize to operation of friendship. Operation of friendship. The Olympic flame. Olympic flame is the symbol of knowledge of life. It is the lighted and kindly Olympic blaze is Greece. It is the carried of to runners wear the Olympic to keep of burning at the end of closing ceremony. These games of flame of the extinguished. The Olympic award, the first of second and third position of holders awarded with gold and silver and medals and certificate are respectively. Next 5 position holder is also awarded to certificate. The Olympic oath. During the opening of the Olympic oaths are taking the ceremony is held of athlete who is the assemble in the sports stadium. A representative of the host is the common forward of the holding the flag. It is the barriers to complete nation and take their position and represented of the behavior all of athletes. They are the right of the repeat of oath after him. And next, the oath the important Olympic oath. We swear that will be the part of the Olympic game and loyal competition in respecting and regulating of government of the T-series participating in them, the spirit of the sportsmanship of the honor of our country of the glory of spirit. The rule of competition, the means of participant of Olympic game of amateur, but now these days the professional to allow to participate the sum of the sports. These sports person game is approval to well recommendation National Olympic Committee. The opening ceremony first a fall the through the Suryas in Olympic village. The Greek and the throughout the Olympic competition are going to held on the president of the prime minister to declare in the open in the stadium. All type of the cultural program is organized with the Olympic flag is hosting. The Olympic flag stadium is the torch. And closing ceremony of the game, the sports person for all countries are assembled to stadium. Closing ceremony, the mayor of the city and president to managing the escort of the president of International Olympic Committee to stadium. And to various cultural to programs are organized. The Olympic extremists are the games are come to end with Olympic songs. The first for various venues in Olympic in 1996 Athens Olympic in 1940. 40 are not held of the World War, and the second is 19 Paris, 1904 St. 1906 Athens, 1908 London. But the sub-Olympic Games 1900 were organized and celebrated to the anniversary of the modern Olympic. Therefore, the games were organized in the interval of the year. The Olympic symbols in details are the values. The Olympic symbol, the 3 types of the Olympic symbol, Cetitius, Altius, and Fortius. Cetitius मतलब fast, तेज, Altius higher, ऊंचा, और Fortius means strong. It is the title to meaning of athletic goal to running faster and jumping and higher of the father. Olympic deals are rebrand of the Bispo Pele, famous showman of the important Olympic wing of the part of the important in life, and it is the not a struggle, it is the essential to the conquered to have the out of well. The objective of Olympic, according to your poverty, in the following objective of the Olympic game: to pay attention towards the physical education and sports competition are the country of the world. Second thing, to develop in personality, to citizenship qualities among your youth. Third is the formation to habits of sports person that could be healthy and prosperous in life. Prosperity means खुशहाल. To develop of the patriotism of the permanently are the sports person. To develop of the international and discriminations basic of race of reason. To develop of the value through the Olympic movements. If we glance in the various objectives of modern Olympic formulated by the D-Covertines or come to the Covertines, to develop through the movement is in strenuous effect of the Olympic Games. Number one, friendship. The Olympic movements to provide the many opportunities to develop friendship of the among of the participations among of the nations also. When the Olympic Games are held and participating to the another's of friends and the nation of friend to important Olympics. So Olympic movements are provided the ample of opportunities to development in friendship. The solidarity. The Olympic movements to provide an opportunity enhance of the solidarity gives in the playing of brotherhoods among the nation. It is the obsession of among the participation of nation. High play. Up to the some extent, said the Olympic Games are enhanced to chance of play, to fair play to based on just. There should be just each player the turn of apply in fairly to each turn. But the fact that the big gap between and actions to official. Now these days we want to the crop and the slogan to stay and sports of the courts are live good by the gate. The free for the discriminations. In the objective of modern Olympics said there will be the no discrimination of basic of caste and the race of religions. The Olympic movements are down. The stress and respect to extent of Olympics are in from discrimination. At such event, there are the meaning of the creates of religion of community to extend or happens. That is called 11 players are the Israel were murdered and ruthlessly. Recital was seen and got in refuse to Jess Owens. Our athlete got in the gold medal that the Olympic game. International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee is defined of the IOC. IOC means I for International, O for Olympic, C for Committee. The government body is Modern Olympic Games. It is the sports through the world level of International Olympic Committee of headquarters of Lausanne, Switzerland. It was created by the Pierre during the Coverty, 13 June 1894. The Greek Democratic Vickers was the first president. It was the membership of constituted 105 active members and 32 honorary members. That the IOC is organized the Modern Olympic Committee is every 4 years. The first Summer Olympic Games was International Olympic Committee, Athens, Greece in 1896. And where are the Olympic Games? Is Championship, France, 1924 of the year. The space of the two events, 2 year for another since in 20, 2 year and another since of 20. The first youth of Olympic were held in the Inspire 2012. But the member of committee, the IOC member of the committee is various countries, which is the countries, the president and vice president who executive the board of secretary of the journal and descriptions of the member of the committee. The president, IOC is the member and the president to elected by the 8 year to expire of term, which are elected by the game, the current of the IOC president of the firm's batch. The vice president, the 4 vice president were elected, the official elected by the member of the committee. They are the elected term of the year. They can be opportunity. Executive board. IOC executive board consists of the president. President के द्वारा बनाया गया. 4 vice president and 10 other members. All member of IOC's executive board is elected by IOC sessions. And IOC is the various countries of the secret ballots. The measure of the vote is cast. IOC executive committee to assume in general overall responsibility to administratively of IOC management of this affair. The main function of the IOC. The IOC to performance of the function which are described below. Number of the place of Olympic will be organized of the committee in the right to decide on the game and held on the test of committee. Second, for conducting of the competition or program of the Olympic fundamental regulation date of the committee. Third, it is the encourage sports of promotions, ethics, sports of education of youth through the sports. Fourth, it is also the regular conduct of Olympic games. Fifth, it is the takes action to strengthen and the unity to protect of independence of the Olympic movement. Protect Olympic movement. It is sixth, it is also to discrimination to affecting the Olympic movement. It is the attempt to against the doping of sports, encourage the development of sports of all. It is opposed to political and commercial abuse of sports of every. Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association in 1927. Doraji Jamshed Tata are the Northern became the founder of the President of Secretary General. Respective the Indian Olympic IOC are affiliated to the Doraja Tata also is elected the first IOC member in 1928. Sir Doraji Bhai Jamshed is resigned the post of President IOC the Games 1928 on the Olympic. The objective of Indian Olympic Associations IOC the development to promotion of the Olympic movements. Second, the enforcement the rules of IOC or IOA. Third, to be fulfilled of organization to responsible the matter of related of weights. Fourth, to promotion of encouragement of physical and moral and cultural of the education. Fifth, admitting the membership of Olympic Association of Sports Federations of the submissions of the reports and statements of the accounts is necessary. Sixth, to undertake the national sports of federation of the management. Seventh, to take the disciplinary against the misbehavior of the underusable of activity of the country. In corporations of the sports of federation is organized to control to performance of the right associate of the play. Dronacharya Award or Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The summum awards. The topic of awards. Unit 5. The topic is awards. The Dronacharya Award. In the ancient time, the Guru was honored by everyone in India. At the time, it used to extraordinary coaching of the teaching. Extraordinary coaching of the teaching. Nowadays, the field of sports of the game and coach and train sports person to achieve the apex marks. They achieve marks. They impact of coaching. The impact of coaching of sports person that could be get in the recognized the national and international level. Even the India sports person to fail to achieve all the extraordinary efforts, the coach have to train a sports person specially. The government India is expected to awards are given to the coach. The performance of sports person, the government started to presenting Dronacharya Award for coach in 1958. कब किया द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड 1985. Dronacharya Award in 1985. This award is given to coach, and Dronacharya is the memory of the Guru Dronacharya of Mahabharata. Dronacharya Award was presented in the famous in the term of zone of performance international and the consecutively are the years. The eligibility of the Dronacharya Award. This award is given those coach who impact of coaching is temporarily, permanently. The term of the players, the following capability are necessary to eligible. Number 1, that coach which develop the Dronacharya Award who players to play have in achieving following positions. The player has on golds, bronze at Olympic game and the World Cup tournament and World Championship. Second, the player has on gold the bronze at the World Championship. Third, the player has taken to record should have been reorganized of the game. The player are gold medal of 3 times in Asian Championship and Commonwealth Championship. The team of the event, a coach is eligible of Dronacharya Award is taken to responsibility of the training of the following game. The team which have been the gold and silver medals are World Cup Championship, Olympic Championship, and to performance is the better of the year. The team is one of the gold medals of the Asian Game and second Asian Championship year of award of that year. Next, that team is the 2 gold medal Asian Games and second is the Commonwealth game in the year awarded of the year. And indigenous of the sports. The coach mean impact of the training of a player to team of the indigenous sports. The team are improve of the sports and during the last 3 years to also eligible of the Dronacharya Award. Objective to honor of the contribution the coach of trainers to continuous basic of leading of performance to sports person trained by them. To the motivate of the trainer of work with focus and duration train and sports person help them of coaching and international competitions. And criteria of the award and 80% weightage of the coach of sports person to medal in Olympic game, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and World Cup Championship and the 4 year the 20% weightage mark is given by the selection of the committee to assessment of the coach of keeping and the profiles of standard even the which of out of the 5 award are 2 award of in the lifetime of coaching. The name of not and more than 2 coach will be considered of this award. Dronacharya Award that consists of the plaque of scorer honors of the cash prize 5 lakh. कितने द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड में हमें कितना कैश प्राइज मिलता 5 लाख कैश प्राइज in 5 lakh cash prize award given to contribution of the coaching and more than 5 lakh rupees and the winner of award who invented the award of functions and the cannot be in second time. The award can be given in the posthumously and the coach of trainer in the government of the cancel this award and given of to any person the respect of return of the scorer award. Nominations. The nomination of the award are invented by the Ministry of Youth Affairs of Sports and from the federation to date and respect and nomination will be 31st May in the same year. Arjun Award. Arjun Award is the supreme honor award to the sports person. एक सबसे बहुत अच्छा supreme honor award है जो गवर्नमेंट इंडिया this award of position during the year who is being given this award in starting 1968. 1968 started this award. In 1960 Arjun Award included in Mahabharata in bronze, diploma and 5 lakh rupees in cash in Arjun Awards. By the selection committee for the Arjun Award by retired judge of Supreme Court, it is the previous Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award that is called the Arjun Award. Previous Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. Arjun Award sports journalist, expert, competitors, sports persons, immense administrators and expert are blowing the person to the administrators and the member and director general of sports and sports authority of India, the member and joint secretary of sports of department. The rules of Arjun Award. It is the means emergent standard of the sports country. Second, the government India is the demand of sports person in national sports federation which are recognized by the government of India. The last is submitted every one of fixed date. Number third, generally this award is given to one player to one game but can also given to a female player of the same game. Fourth, the fixed can be extended by the government of India. The Government of India is forms of the committee and widely inspect of the list of the player in the various federations of the sports. After proper inspections, the special common stand of the Government of India. If the Government of India does not receive any form of sports federation in year awarded in specific area of that year, any sports person federation can send a list of 3 players. Governments of India, the government of awarded 1 players, but female player can also be awarded. So maximum 2 players, male and female, can be selected or awarded in this game.